Hey, welcome to the Brooksby 2. That's Roman numeral 2 from MI Homes. This is a quick move house. It's almost done. Beautiful blue hardy plank here. I love that color, really. Now let's take a tour of this house. You ought to be one of the very first ones in Bretagne. And Bretagne, by the way, nice porch. And again, look at all the woods, guys. Let's see what this looks like right next door and behind. This is a large lot. And again, that blue is awfully gorgeous. This is like over 3/4 of an acre. So you got large lots here at Bretagne. And what you've got is some of that MI quality. And I do really like MI homes. What am I looking at? First of all, you got a tray. You got 8-foot openings. And wow, I'm already amazed. This has got to be the dining room. And where there's a great dining room, there is often a great butler's pantry. And there it is, and a big one too at that. And you come from there into the kitchen. So there's your island, gonna be right there. And what you wanna notice is these tall ceilings, 10-foot ceilings, 8-foot doors. This is what I like to think of as luxury, guys. Now it's obviously in drywall stage and ready for a buyer. Coffered ceiling already up there. Got that all framed in. Out the back of this large lot, that is Barberville Road up there. Again, reference Barber Rock that Bonterra did so well in. But again, guys, this has got a covered patio, and this is in the Indian Land High School District. Did you see that new Indian Land High School that's going up? Just take 521 south towards Lancaster and see what I mean. Big windows, lots of light coming in. And I'm in the mid-70s here in April. What's it like up there in Minneapolis? I don't mean to rub it in, guys, but hey, I love where I live, and everybody's trying to move here, so do the math. Now, this has got a lot of living space, including a powder room with a window, which I like, on the main level. And besides that formal dining room off to the right, which I just showed you, I'm at the front door. Here is, again, this is trade too, so somebody help me with this. This one feels like it's gonna have double doors on it and be a really nice office, whereas the other one is framed. Looks like it's got a drywall frame that might be cased, meaning, have wood around it. We'll see. Okay, guys, I'm in on this, by the way. I love this Brooksby 2 plan. Now, we've kind of, checked out the main living areas, but you know what we haven't discovered yet? These areas back here, which, you know what MI does at school? I bet that's it because that's above the counter, those outlets. They're going to put that little MI Planning Center desk right there, I'll bet you. Oh yeah, here we go. Here we go. Now, in the back, again, 10-foot ceilings. Amazing. 10-foot ceilings. And there's a better look at that covered patio. Why don't you screen that puppy in? And oh, here's exactly what I'm happy about. With a shower, a full ensuite bath right here on this first level. So this is why, hey, you took a job in Charlotte, maybe you work in Ballantyne, South Park. Ballantyne's 3 miles away, y'all. But you don't want to leave your 70-year-old, 80-year-old, 90-year-old mom and or dad. Well, there they've got their own bathroom, their own bedroom with a feeling of elegance, and let them start dinner. Hey, if I'm your grandpa, I'll do it. I'll start dinner, have it ready for you when you come home, and be here when the kids get out of Indian Land school. So, hey, that ensuite, guest suite, man, that is multi-generational if I've ever seen it. Again, when you come up and you see on the landing, first of all, I love landings, and you see a big window there coming up here, and I'm sure they're gonna have some really nice railings there because it would be framed for a drywall, half wall, if not. So you can imagine that. Now we're upstairs. Now, first of all, this Brooksby 2 loft is like, a huge room. It's like a warehouse to me. Look at all the windows. This is beautiful, guys. And you come out here and you look across the street. I know, right? Not bad. Now, of course, those trees will be coming down because Bretagne is just getting started, and they're going to sell a lot of houses. You mark my words. I'm going to sell a lot of houses in here because, number one, I'm a big MI fan. Number two, the value is here. This is the master. So again, the tray, and look at the light coming in. Even with these trees over there, those will come down because They will clear the lot to be pretty much like this one. But again, guys, I'm looking at some beautiful South Carolina sunshine just a few miles from North Carolina, the state line. Uh-oh, wait, what? No bathtub, good. Rain head, oh yeah. Huge shower. If you're a shower person, get ready for that one. I'm gonna count the shower heads real quick. Besides that rain head, oh man, this is gonna be fantastic. So you got a double sink vanity right there. I've got the vision to see it. Why don't you come down and let's buy this puppy? Oh, wait a minute, I just went into a closet and there's a laundry room right here. Coming out of the master closet, there is a laundry room. That's the way you want it. Coming out of that master bedroom closet, there's a laundry room, which is also accessible from these other bedrooms that are up. So we got a bedroom, bam, lots of light. Oh man, this is ridiculous. This is over 4,000 square feet of nothing but love. And guess what I'm looking when I see up? You see that shiny surface? That is the Tech Shield or Radiant Barrier. So again, you've got another bath here, full bath. So that Radiant Barrier, probably the Tech Shield brand or something similar. What it does is it causes that sunlight, that South Carolina sun, baby, to reflect off of that underneath side of that roof decking and keep the temperature a bit more normal, good sized closet, in the attic space, which translates to lower energy costs. You know, MI is real anal about keeping some money in your pocket every month by lowering your utility bills. And how do they do it? Things like that. That Radiant Barrier, there it is. So this house is available. Why don't you let me help you get a great deal? So that right there was into that laundry room. Let me help you get a great deal on this house. 704-345-3400. You want Indian Land Schools and you want to move soon and you want to get a great deal. I am your guy. You're not going to save any money by going in without a buyer's agent. I can't wait to be your agent. 704-345-3400. I'll see you in the next video.